Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your trusted destination for real reviews, powerful machines, and luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into the latest masterpiece that blends American trucking strength with high-end luxury living. The 20T Kenworth Ultra Classic Motorhome. At first glance, the Ultra Classic commands attention. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis, this motorhome retains that iconic Kenworth truck identity, but it hides a luxury apartment behind its bold front. With its chrome-detailed grille, aerodynamic edges, and custom paint options, this vehicle isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Under the hood, you get a beastly 14.9-liter Bakar MX-20 engine pushing out up to 510 horsepower and over 1,250 lb-ft of torque. This isn't just for smooth cruising. It's made for long hauls, steep climbs, and heavy towing if needed. Matched with a 12-speed automated transmission, the Ultra Classic glides on highways like a king. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Ultra Classic feels more like a five-star suite on wheels. From leather captain seats to imported hardwood flooring, ambient LED lighting to a full smart home system, this motorhome is designed to impress. The spacious living area features a slide-out lounge with a 65-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and reclining massage chairs. The kitchen is fully loaded, too. You'll find a quartz countertop, induction cooktop, dual-zone fridge, microwave oven, and even a hidden dishwasher. The attention to detail is stunning. Everything is optimized for both aesthetics and utility. Heading to the rear, you're welcomed by a master bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed, built-in wardrobe, and full climate control. There's also a spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower, ceramic sink, and even a washer-dryer combo. On the tech side, the Ultra Classic is no less than futuristic. It's got a digital cockpit, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and satellite-based internet connectivity. Solar panels on the roof help keep your batteries charged, and the onboard generator ensures you can live off-grid for days. With air suspension, lane assist, and auto-leveling jacks, the 2025 Kenworth Ultra Classic doesn't just move you in comfort. It pampers you at every stop. Whether you're parking beside a lake or in the middle of a desert, this motorhome makes every location feel like home. So, what's the price for all this? Well, the base model starts around $750,000, but with all the luxury upgrades, you're easily crossing the $1 million mark. But for those who want the ultimate freedom with no compromise, it's worth every penny. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Kenworth Ultra Classic Motorhome. Would you live in one full-time or take it for epic road trips? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more reviews of the world's most powerful and luxurious vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.